Important note: you must have the original power steering control module plugged into the vehicle before you initiate this procedure. Do not install the new module until you are prompted by the scan tool. This procedure will not work if the original module does not communicate. Once you have properly identified the vehicle with your scan tool, select Programming from the menu options. Select Program Module Installation from the menu options. Now scroll until you see the PSCM, or Power Steering Control Module. Select this module. Once again, the original module should still be in the vehicle. The scan tool will pull VIN and calibration information out of the original module. Verify the VIN matches your vehicle before clicking Yes. Now turn the key off. This is where you will unplug and remove the old module. Install the new module. Note, the new module can be laid on top of the cradle and plugged in. It does not have to be completely assembled for programming. Once you have it installed and completely plugged in, click on the OK tab. You'll notice it quickly programs the VIN and calibrations to the new module. Communication codes will set during programming. It is important to clear all codes out of the modules, road test the vehicle, and ensure there are no power steering, ABS, or traction control related codes before returning to the customer.